Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to discuss about phishing, that what is phishing and how does it work, and I will show a practical demo that how you can uh, make a phishing page and how to exploit it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what is phishing? Phishing attacks are the practice of sending fraudulent communication that appears to come from a reputable source. So what does it mean? It means that phishing is a social engineering attack which appears or which shows that it comes from a reputable site like facebook.com, like google.com, or any other domains. And the goal is to steal sensitive information like credit card details, login information, and so the goal or the motive of phishing is to say steal sensitive information like credit card details, any credentials, login information. um, not only not only steal the sensitive information but also to install a malware on the victim machine, so that after installing it you can easily access the victim machine or you can operate the victim machine very easily. So phishing is a common type of cyber attack that everyone should learn about in order to protect themselves. So everyone should know what is phishing attack so that they can protect themselves from phishing attack. How does it work? Phishing is start with a fraudulent email or other communication that is designed to lure a victim. What does it mean? It means that it will make by doing phishing attack, you can easily or a hacker can easily make a phishing page. What is phishing page? Phishing page means it is a as it is looking like it is a as it is page looking like that it is come from a reputable sources like google.com, facebook.com, or any other reputed sites. But it is a clone site of that particular site, and when you enter your credential into it or like bank details, any login informations, any credit card details, all the information goes to the attacker machine. So now without wasting any time, let's get started for the demo class. And today's video, I am showing you at how you can make a phishing page by using a tool named Hidden Eye. So for that reason, you need to visit your Google Chrome and type here Hidden Eye. Visit the first link, Hidden Eye Legacy, and then click on code and copy the link, and then clone it into your Kali Linux machine. For that reason, you need to type a simple command git clone. Remember one thing, if you need to clone any link from GitHub, you need to type the command git clone and then paste the link. While cloning the link and ls command, now it shows that Hidden Legacy is successfully installed in our machine. So now let's enter to the Hidden Legacy folder. Ls, then type command pip3 install. Already satisfied. I have already installed it, so it's that's why it shows that in the requirement already satisfied. Now you have to type a command python 3, then I accept. EULA. Now you can show that there are lots of modules present in Hidden Eye, so you can choose any module, or you can choose any kind of phishing modules from here. So I choose facebook.com. So I simply type as Facebook is in number one, so I choose number one option and hit on enter. Then create a standard phishing page. One. Then keylogger A. Then in which URL you need to redirect it, you have to type it in here. So I need to type it facebook.com, then hit on enter. And remember one thing, there are 65,535 ports are available in your computer system, so that I can choose any four ports. I can choose 8888 on enter, and then choose 0 localhost. The localhost URL is that. Simply copy the URL and send it to the victim. As I am an attacker and I am a victim also, so I am using my Kali Linux machine web browser, and simply copy it and paste it. Look guys, a simple and exact phishing page of Facebook is created by me and by using the tool HitAI. And if you or if me or if I put the credential or enter the credential into it and try on login, click on login option, all the credential details I, I got into my terminal, Kali Linux terminal. My password is 12345 and email address is test@test.com. I hope guys you like this video. Thank you.